Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is all about gaining better insights from your Hubspot data and understanding how users interact with your forms. Whether you're running campaigns, collecting leads, or optimizing conversions, knowing how to read form performance can make a huge difference. Stick around as we walk through this process step by step and uncover useful insights you can apply right away. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to analyze form submission data in Hubspot. To get started, head over to your Hubspot dashboard and click on Marketing. From there, locate and select Forms. Once you're inside, you'll see all the forms you currently have available. Choose the form you want to analyze and click on it. You can also click on Actions and select View Submissions to see more details. This option allows you to review the responses and performance of that specific form. You'll be able to review important metrics such as submission count and conversion rate, and you can use filters to segment the data by date. And that's all for today. I hope this video helped you understand how to analyze form submission data in Hubspot more effectively. Using these insights can help you improve your forms, refine your campaigns, and drive better results over time. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out the channel for more Hubspot tips, tutorials, and helpful marketing insights. See you in the next video.